Got a bit of a problem here. Yeah, a very expensive problem. I've got this copy of the Blade Runner score that was released by Mobile Fidelity Sound Lab back in 2013. I got it off Amazon, as I recall. And I think I got it for $50. And look at this, really nice gatefold cover here. Look at that. Beautiful artwork, right? Just gorgeous. I even got some of these original master sleeves from MoFi, really good company. I got a pack of these sleeves to protect the well, look at this though. So I have it on the platter here, right? Yeah, looks good, right? Well, watch this. And it's got a really nasty warp in it, and it's so bad that this Audio-Technica cartridge won't even track it. So I'm wondering what I can do about this, because as far as I know, warped records can't really be fixed. I'll just give you a demonstration here. It will not track the first song here. What a shame. Now, if I move it to blush response, which is the second track, I believe it'll barely track that. Let's see here.
I want to see it work.
Oh.
The subject.
I want to see it work in a person. I want to see a negative before I provide you with a positive.
What's that gonna prove?
Indulge me.
Try her.
On you?
Try her.
Okay. Well, it wasn't playing earlier. But this track, I mean, this record goes for like, I've seen it go upwards of $400. That's sealed brand new on eBay. So it's worth quite a bit now. So it would be a shame if this was ruined. Yeah, it's a pretty nasty warp. You can really see it bounce up and down trying to track those grooves. Anyways, if anyone has any suggestions for what I can do about this, I know there's a record flattener out there. There's a couple of them. Let me turn this down. Yeah, any suggestions are welcome. Just let me know what I can do about this. Yeah, it would be a shame. I'm not going to throw it out regardless because it's too valuable, but at least the inner tracks, they'll track just fine. So any suggestions, please let me know.